Today, we are going to look at anaerobic respiration. First, let us break down the words. Aerobic means using oxygen. So, anaerobic means without oxygen. Respiration means breaking down glucose to produce energy. Putting all together, anaerobic respiration means breaking down glucose to produce energy without oxygen. It occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell. There are two types of anaerobic respiration, that is lactic acid respiration and alcoholic fermentation. Before I start explaining each process, you must have an understanding of glycolysis. So, let us quickly revise glycolysis. I am not doing detailed explanation of glycolysis but just to refresh the essential concepts. What you need to remember about glycolysis is the end products and its fate. That's all is needed for this topic of anaerobic respiration. So, what are the end products? The products are 2 molecules of pyruvate, 2 molecules of net ATP and 2 molecules of NADH. This is very important. Now, we address the next question, that is the fate of these end products. With oxygen, these end products will enter mitochondria, but without oxygen, these products are denied entry and thus remain in the cytoplasm. Let us first study the lactic acid fermentation. We will start with pyruvic acid and NADH. What happens is NADH releases the hydrogen ion. This release of hydrogen is termed as oxidation. The hydrogen ion is then accepted by the pyruvic acid. This accepting hydrogen is called as reduction, and thus converting it to lactic acid, and energy is also produced. The process of converting pyruvic acid to lactic acid is catalyzed by the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. If lactic acid accumulates in the body, it must be removed, and liver is the primary organ responsible for removal of lactic acid from the body. However, the agent that is capable in breaking down lactic acid is oxygen. I will do a separate video regarding this, so be sure to subscribe. Now, we will look at alcoholic fermentation. Organisms like yeast carry out alcoholic fermentation. Again, we use pyruvic acid. The carbon atom in pyruvic acid is removed by the enzyme pyruvate decarboxylase. What then happens? The carbon atom will combine with oxygen and get released as carbon dioxide gas. Pyruvic acid is converted to acetaldehyde. What further happens is the NADH from glycolysis end product releases hydrogen. The hydrogen is then accepted by the acetaldehyde and gets converted into ethanol. These processes release energy. In bread-making industry, yeast is used primarily because of the removal of carbon atom from the pyruvate and thus releasing carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is responsible to raise the dough. However, in wine-making industry, acetaldehyde is converted to ethanol by accepting hydrogen. So, the important compound is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. These are some questions that can test your remembrance of the topic. Pause this video and try to answer them. That's all regarding anaerobic respiration. If you find value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as this will motivate me into doing more videos like this. If you have any biology topics that need discussion, send them via the Google form that I have linked below. Thank you and see you in the next video.